Hi, this is Deepan Shaw with the Apartment Dealer, and I just listed a 4-unit property in the beautiful city of Whittier. This property is priced at $1,525,000 and consists of one spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath owner's unit and 3 extra large 2-bedroom, 1-bath units. Tenants enjoy gated and private entryways, on-site garage and carport parking, as well as private patios for the ground level units. An on-site coin-operated laundry facility is available for tenants, allowing ownership to collect additional income. Now, there's a total of 4,770 rentable square feet on this property, relating to units being over 1,000 square feet, with the 3-bedroom unit being over 1,400 square feet. Each unit is separately metered for electricity and gas. Now, as I mentioned before, this property is located in the city of Whittier, which historically is known for its strong and consistent rental demand, and this is due to many reasons. There's many shops there, tons of eateries, and it's centrally located to many other cities. So if you're looking for a strong rental property in a great location with tons of upside potential, contact me today for more information. This is Deepan Shaw with the Apartment Dealer, and I'll see you on the next one.